We start with one more chart. Just I want to give a quick update. After we get this drop, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned if you get any reversal as a sharp move flag or having entry above this is the only option we can look for trade. And I mentioned if the price continue and drop, we just let it go because we explained that since we get this sharp move, we can expect to get the correction for one more drop. And since the price didn't retest the previous low, we cannot refer to the indicators for the divergence. Now, the traders, they should know, consider whether they want to, I mean, it depends on the strategy they use. They want to consider this one as a divergence or not. Because if this is the start of the divergence, that means this is the start of the reversal. But from what we can see here, the way it's reversing is very corrective. We can expect this one 10 to flat. And the best thing is if the price drop and retest the lowest price of this shadow. Okay, it can give us better confirmation for the reversal. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, as we can see, the ways move is very corrective. And we're looking for buy. If you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But the targets in relative to this move, we can look for 0.006 following by 0.007. This is the targets we can look for. But as we can see, the ways move is really corrective. And based on daily chart, mostly we cannot get any trade setup unless we get the trade based on lower time frame. And any trade based on lower time frame, 1 hour chart, we consider as a short term. That means if it's not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade because what we have here, technically, we can expect this one to earn as a flat in relative to this. That means still we can expect the price drop and retest the lowest price of this correction. We need to be aware of both this possibility if we want to look for buy, but we don't need to wait for price to drop before we take the trade. That means if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But if it's not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade without the stop loss. And if we move to the forward chart, what I can see here, as I explained based on 1 hour chart, we can expect the price to drop. The best things is if we get this one. Before we take the next trade, we need to confirm for the breakout of this correction. Okay. In this case, to look for trade, if I move for 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell based on even based on 1 hour and forward chart. All right. But we are not really interested to look for sell. We're looking for buy. But what I can see here is a flat. If I get any drop, any reversal, this is the best things we can look for buy. But as I say, whether we should consider this one as a divergence or not, it depends on the trader strategy the traders they're using. And if this is the start of the up move, the only way we can look for buy if we see the breakout of as a sharp move flag before we take the trade. Rather than that, we don't have any other opportunity to look for buy. Even if the price reverses from here as a corrective, we are not going to look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup to look for either buy or sell. We prefer to wait for the one more drop before we get the reversal. Or if the price give us a deeper correction from here, then we can put our entry above the stop. Okay. As I say, we don't have any trade setup for buy right now, but this is the possibility we can look for. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.